What happens when you pull, turn, twist, make the world pop up like this? And what happens when you spin, look, lift, crinkles crumble, pop, crash, dance, and Quack, Zack, Quack, hero too. Watch it open up for you. Pull, turn, twist, make the world pop up like this. With Zack and Quack.
Pop-up moon mission. Suddenly, the brave space commander was caught in the scary pit of darkness. What is he going to do? Then, with one last blast from his cosmic ray... Oh, hey, Quack and I are camping out and reading a story about... It's okay, buddy. The batteries just went out. Quack's a little scared of the dark. Come on, Quack. Let's go find a nightlight so we can get back to our story. Wow, it's really dark tonight, and I see why. The moon isn't shining. Hey, if we could light up the moon, then we'd have the biggest nightlight ever. Then Quack wouldn't have to be afraid of the dark. Not afraid. I mean, then we'll be able to finish our story. Space Commander Zack to Space Commander Quack. We have a midnight mission to light up the moon! We've just got to pop up our rocket ship, Commander Quack. Here is my rocket! Pop-tastic. Come on, Quack. Huh. That's not good.
Hello?
Huh?
Zack?
Hey, Kira. What are you doing awake?
Well, it's kind of hard to sleep when a rocket pops up next door. What's going on?
Quack and I are going on a mission to light up the moon! But we need more power.
I've got something that can help.
Party poppers! Kira, you're perfectly pop-tastic. Hey, why don't you come with us?
Space Commander Kira, reporting for duty.
Come aboard, Commander. Okay, Space Commanders. 3, 2, 1, blast off!
Fantastic! Wow!
Moon, here we come! I guess we need to find it first.
I'm on it, Zack. One paper periscope coming up.
Thanks, Kira. Now let's have a look. A pop-up! Maybe that's the moon. Wait, Quack! No!
Oh no! We're floating into space!
Not a problem, Space Commanders. Now I can reach out and pull the pop-up. Commander Kira, get us over there.
No problem, Zack.
Gotcha! Ruffles! Shooting stars! Get us out of here, Kira!
Hold on!
A star inside the cockpit! Quick, Quack! Duck!
Phew! We made it through, Commanders. Hey, what you got there, Quack?
Looks good on you, Commander Quack.
Zack, look!
There it is! The moon!
Woohoo!
Time to bring this bad boy in for a landing.
Fantastic!
Whoa! It's a really dark page. I know you're scared, Quack, but maybe the entire universe is dark.
That can mean ducks all across the galaxy are scared. They need our help, Commander Quack.
Hey, good idea. We can use your star to light the way.
Cool!
Come on, Space Commanders. Let's light up the moon!
A pop-up! Maybe it'll help us light the moon.
Just some cosmic mushrooms, Quack. Nothing to be afraid of. What do you think?
Here, Quack.
And one for you, Kira.
Wait for us! Woohoo!
Woo! Watch out, Quack! Hold on, Quack! We're coming! Kira, do you have anything we can use to climb down?
I've got just the thing we need.
Okay, but hurry! Hold on, buddy! Here I come!
Ta-da! My supersonic rescue rope.
Pop-tastic! Thanks, Kira! Here I come! Ugh. I'm almost there, Quack. Sure, Quack. We can go home now. Looks like our mission to light up the moon has failed. Hey, wait a second. Your star is making the cosmic mushroom light up. That's it. I know how we can light up the moon. You're not going to be afraid much longer, Quack. Come on. Kira, pull us up, please. Kira, I know how we can light up the moon.
Cool! Let's pop to it.
3, 2, 1, blast off!
So what's your plan to light up the moon, Commander Zack?
Well, one little star lit up my helmet. So with lots of stars, we can light up the whole moon.
Cool!
Okay, I need your help, Space Commanders. Don't let me float away.
Okay, Commander Zack, you can count on us.
Shaking down a few of these paper stars ought to do the trick. Almost. Come on. This has got to work. Paper play saves the day!
Woo! Did it, Zack! You lit up the moon!
Now let's go home! We've got a story to finish.
Dreaming? Or is that a rocket?
Hi, everyone.
Zack! We're just coming back from lighting up the moon.
We needed a little light to finish reading our story. Let's see, where was I? Oh, yeah. And with one last blast from his cosmic ray, the brave space commander lit up the galaxy forever. The end. Wow, what an adventure. Huh, Quack? Quack? So much for being afraid of the dark. Popping, hopping, hiccups. Oh, hey! Shh. We have to be very quiet. Quack and I are on a bug-catching adventure.
Bug catching looks like fun. But not as fun as the adventure I'm about to have. What could be more fun than an exciting adventure right in the comfort of your own lily pad? Whoa!
Hey, Belly Up, why don't you come join our big bug-catching adventure?
Yeah, no one's better at bug catching than frogs.
No, thank you. I've got all the adventure I need right. Run, biped! Run!
Are you all right, Belly Up?
Yes, of course. Just...
Uh-oh. I think Belly Up has a case of the...
The hiccups!
The hopping hiccups.
I got you, Belly Up.
No cause for fuss. That fly just flew down the wrong pipe. I'm
Huh?
Oh dear.
Hi, Zack. What's going on? Hey, what's Belly Up doing way up there?
Panicking! I hate heights.
Don't worry, Belly Up. I'll get you down. I'm coming, Belly Up. Okay, Belly Up. Jump.
Way to go, Zack.
Phew. What a relief. Thank you.
No problem, Belly Up. Now, we'd better cure those hiccups before you hop off again.
Yeah, you could land on any page.
And anything could happen.
You just need a tall drink of water.
My dear Zack, I'm something of a hiccup expert. I know all the cures. This cure is guaranteed to work. It's called the upside-down loony swing-a-rooney. You just hop up to a low branch, hang upside down, and swing back and forth 12 times. It's simple.
That doesn't sound so simple.
It's working! It's working!
Oh, no!
To the rescue!
Where'd he go?
It's a bird!
It's a plane. It's Belly Up.
He's gonna crash! This calls for a pop-up. Quick! Follow me! Belly Up! We need something to get him down!
On it, Zack. That ought to do it.
Poptastic! A paperclip chain! Look out, Belly Up! Pull!
Oh, dear. Thank you, dear friends.
Don't mention it. We're just glad you're okay.
Fine and dandy. I'd just like to get home to my lovely Lily. Oh,
I'm not so sure you are fine and dandy, Belly Up.
All you need is a nice tall drink of water.
oh, of course. Why didn't I think about this before? It's called the Supersized Simple as Pie Surprise Cure.
Maybe we should give Zack's idea a try, Belly Up.
Yeah, Belly Up. Maybe you should let us help you here.
Frogwash, I'm a hiccup expert. My cure will be perfect. Someone just needs to surprise me when I'm least expecting it. I have to have absolutely no idea what's coming. No one can give me even the slightest clue. Exactly the surprise I needed. I think it worked.
Uh-oh.
Oh no!
Come on, everyone! To the rescue!
never thank you.
You don't have to thank us, Belly Up.
Let's just cure those hiccups.
Ah, yes, we need another cure.
Belly Up, I've got a cure. A simple one.
Me too. It's the old, sure cure. All you have to do is hold your breath and count to...
50, 10, 12, 5, 37, 100.
100 it is.
1, 2, 3. He didn't even get to 3.
Oh dear, maybe I'm not the expert I thought I... Somebody get me down!
The cure is simple, Belly Up.
What?
You just need a drink of water. And we've got plenty of water right here.
Is that all? Well, how simple. Maybe I don't know everything after all.
But Zack, the water's down here and Belly Up is up there.
We need something to carry the water all the way up. A straw!
You'd need a pretty big straw. A giant straw!
Exactly. Come on, everyone.
A little sticky tape ought to hold our straw together.
Come on, everybody. Let's get this straw to Belly Up.
Yay!
Right.
Whoa! Paperboy saves the day! Now, Belly Up, drink! Oh, no!
Pardon me. I'm good. I'm good!
Yay!
Just one thing, Zack. How do I get down?
You can slide down, just like in the garden.
Yes, down. Down is good.
Don't worry, I got you!
Oh, thank you, dear friends. I may not know everything, but one thing I'm sure of. You are the best friends ever.
There's only one thing left to do.
Go home!
Everything back to normal. Just the way I like it.
Yeah. Sure you don't want to go bug catching with us, Belly Up?
No thanks, Zack. I'm perfectly happy, right? On second thoughts. Oh dear.
What a catch. Whoa! Paperboy saves the day! Now, Belly Up, drink! Oh, no!
Pardon me. I'm good. I'm good!
Yay!
Just one thing, Zack. How do I get down?
You can slide down, just like in the garden.
Yes, down. Down is good.
Don't worry, I got you!
thank you, dear friends. I may not know everything, but one thing I'm sure of. You are the best friends ever.
There's only one thing left to do.
Go home!
Oh!
Oh no!
Pardon me. I'm good. I'm good!
Yay!
Just one thing, Zack. How do I get down?
You can slide down, just like in the garden.
Yes, down. Down is good.
Don't worry, I got you.
Oh, thank you, dear friends. I may not know everything, but one thing I'm sure of. You are the best friends ever.
There's only one thing left to do.
Go home!
Everything back to normal. Just the way I like it.
Yeah. Sure you don't want to go bug catching with us, belly up?
No thanks, Zack.
Dark. Come on, Quack. Let's go find a nightlight so we can get back to our story. Wow, it's really dark tonight. And I see why. The moon isn't shining. Hey, if we could light up the moon, then we'd have the biggest nightlight ever. Then Quack wouldn't have to be afraid of the dark. Not afraid. I mean, then we'll be able to finish our story. Space Commander Zack to Space Commander Quack. We have a midnight mission to light up the moon! We've just got to pop up our rocket ship, Commander Quack. Here is my rocket! Pop-tastic. Come on, Quack.
Oh!
Oh, no!
Pardon me. I'm good. I'm good!
Yay!
Just one thing, Zack. How do I get down?
You can slide down, just like in the garden.
Yes, down. Down is good.
Don't worry, I got you!
Oh, thank you, dear friends. I may not know everything, but one thing I'm sure of. You are the best friends ever.
There's only one thing left to do.
Go home!
Everything back to normal. Just the way I like it.
Yeah. Sure you don't want to go bug catching with us, belly up?
No thanks, Zack. I'm perfectly happy, right? On second thoughts. Oh dear.
What a catch.